Aesop's fable of the crow is real because crows are extremely intelligent. The fable in which a crow demonstrates ingenuity to survive is more than folklore. American researchers have discovered crows, closely related to crows, can use stones to raise the water level in a vessel, just like in one of Aesop's fables. The ancients wrote about a crow that found a jug with too little water and used stones to drink, thus suggesting the intelligence of nature. The confirmation of the fable belongs to zoologist Christopher Bird from Cambridge University, who used four crows in his experiments, named Cook, Fry, Connolly, and Monroe. In a series of tests, a vessel of water was placed in front of each of the four crows, on the surface of which a worm was floating. The bowls were specially shaped to prevent the birds from reaching the tempting delicacy, so the crows had to find a way to solve the problem. The birds examined the bowls from different angles, trying to find a way to reach the worms, and then they received help from the researchers, a mound of pebbles. To the researchers' surprise, the crows took the pebbles in their beaks and placed them in the bowls, raising the water level and thus reaching the worms. Moreover, it seems that the birds correctly estimated the number of pebbles needed for their task. Instead of trying to grab the worms after each pebble thrown into the bowl, they waited until it seemed to them that the water level had risen enough. They also preferred larger pebbles to smaller ones. In another experiment, crows quickly learned that sawdust doesn't obey the same physical laws as water. Both crows and ravens are members of the corvid family. Corvids are remarkably intelligent, rivaling the great apes in their ability to solve problems. That's remarkable, given the differences between bird and primate brains. The only animal that can boast of solving a similar task is the orangutan. In an earlier experiment, orangutans were able to reach a floating peanut from a tall tube by taking water in their mouths and spitting it back into the container.